So the intention of Calibrate, and you're delivering it early in the clerkship or course to your learners, enables you as a clerkship or course director to better understand, and your learners to better understand when they start, from where they're starting. You can imagine, for example, a learner coming into their very earliest clinical experiences. They've learned a fair amount, we hope, in their pre-clerkship experience. However, at the time that they're starting, they're really just beginning to understand, is what I learned more in my classroom-based activities really going to serve me well and my patients well as I step into my clinical learning? At that time, Calibrate really is designed to help you separate out the students who truly need a lot of additional assistance early on from those learners who are fine. They're going to be fine. They need to go into the course or clerkship. They need to start seeing patients. They need to start working with their preceptors. They need to continue to do the cases. But at least you know those learners you can sort of send on their merry way into seeing their patients. But it helps you also to identify those learners in which you're like, I probably need to meet with them earlier. I may need to figure out why they're overconfident in their knowledge. Is this somebody who's just going to go flying through the beginnings of the clerkship or the course and really find themselves struggling midway through when people realize that they may not know as much as they think they do? Or is this a learner who's too cautious, who feels too underconfident in what they know, or truly just isn't quite up to the speed even of an early clinical learner's understanding? And I need to step in and help them really figure out a good study plan at the beginning so that they will end in a great place. And then over time, as a clerkship progresses in the early days, you can then start to check in with those who were doing just fine at that point. But we've given them the tools to continue to grow while you're focusing maybe more one-on-one with the students that you feel you need to focus on initially.